Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today. I have my Ipsy box. So this is BoxyCharm by Ipsy for the month of, what month are we in? March 2024. I'm so sorry, that was gross. Theme is rewrite the rules. Right here we get a little pamphlet. And this, tells you when Mega Drop is. You can scan the little QR code there to know your picks and product information. They just give you some basic information. Let me see if there are any important dates here. They have a Facebook group, Instagram, all that good stuff. So that's this. I don't generally use this. This is $30 some a month, isn't it? 32. I don't even remember how much this one is. Horrible. $30 a month. $1.99 shipping and handling. I do pay tax. 5 full-size beauty products. We get to choose 3. Get this stuff out of the way. I do have my phone, so I can see if I can remember or find. Let's put it that way. Find, not necessarily remember. I don't know, is that it? I think this is it. So I'll share with you guys the first products that they chose for me. So the first one is Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. Right here. Let's see what this is about. I don't know if this has got a seal on it. Nope. Okay. Cute little package right here. Let me just see what the consistency. Ooh, that's like a white, thinner, almost looks like a moisturizer. Let's just see. Tell you might not see it on camera, but I can see if it blurs anything on your hand, because it should. You have pores everywhere, so it should make it look. Oh, nice scent. Strawberry. Excuse me, losing my voice. Strawberry. That's nice. I'm excited for that. I mean, like I said, I don't think you're going to see it on camera just because it's hard. But I can see a difference, like less fine lines. The blur, I don't know. Maybe a little bit. I don't know overly. And the next thing is exciting. I don't know if I have this or not. From Yensa, this is Super Serum Silk Concealer. I'd have to look in my drawer to see, because I do have products from Yensa. But I don't wear a ton of concealer. But this is in light number 2. Right here. That's what it looks like. Let me see if I can. I do see a Yensa concealer in here, but let me see what shade it is. I have medium 1. This is mine. So light might be 2. Let me see. So this is medium 1, I believe, right? Medium 1, as I said. So that's right here. There. Is that the only one that I have from Yensa? I might have 2, but let me see. This might actually work better, because I thought that was a little bit dark. So maybe this will be better. We'll see. I'll put them side by side. Huh. And then this one here is the one I just got today. I mean, it's definitely a lighter. The other one is a deeper tone, so this might work better for me. The other one works. More spot, and I don't generally have to spot conceal. Sometimes I do. I'm not real big for concealer under my eyes. I don't generally wear it, but maybe because some of the shades I have are slightly dark. One that I know is good is like the Tarte Creaseless. This one is good for me. See how light that is compared to... Where's my other answer in here? So you can see the difference in tones, maybe. Like this one is lighter. I mean, you want to lighten your under eyes. Some of the ones I have are lighter, like even my little mini Tartes, they're lighter shades. So that might work better for me. I like that I can just pull out like open up and pull out a container and say, oh, I already have it. But that is a lighter tone, so I'm happy to have it. So they were their choices. My choices were some brushes from SL Miss Glam. You guys know I love her brushes, and I don't have these. So why wouldn't I choose them? Of course I would. So these are the brushes. So we have an angle brush, like a face brush, a powder brush, and this is, highlight. You can use these for whatever you choose. Dusting powders off. If you get fallout, use it for whatever you want. Highlight. This is, like I said, this is a good powder brush, face brush. Let me see if I can get it out of the package right there. Nice and fluffy, and then your angled brush. Happy to have them. So I picked that. I also picked Misho Beauty lipstick. Of course, always going to pick a lipstick if I can. And this is in Ijama. I don't think I have this one. I might. If I do, I'll share it. Because I won't keep it. I won't swatch this one. I'm going to see if I have it. This is the shade. If I have it, I will share this one. And if I don't, I'll keep it. I don't know. It doesn't sound familiar. But if I have, I don't know where the Misho Beauty is in here. Because I was keeping my... I do have some Misho Beauty here, but I don't have my balms, like my colored balms. I don't think I'm keeping the other lipstick. Might be with, like, a lot of these are balms. Don't know where the actual lipstick. I thought they had some Misho Beauty, but these are not it. I can tell by the packaging they're not. I don't know where. So this is a lot of glosses. This is Lawless. I don't know where it would be, honestly. I'd have to look for it and see. I don't think it's down here either. That's a lot of... That's all MAC. That's all Dalton, Macy's. It's not there. You can tell by looking at the tubes. Like, I would have no clue where it would be. It's not in this one. No, they're higher end ones. Not there. I might not have this one, but I will give it a look. The other thing I chose, and because Avant is such a good brand, these are Hydra Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Pads from Avant. So I picked these to use those. Tired eyes. I'm exhausted. So you could probably get two sets. Oh, no, you get, 2 sets. No, 3 sets. So you get 3 sets of the under eye patches. These are nice. And Avant, I have a few Avant products, and I use them sparingly. Sometimes I forget about them, but they are such a good brand. They're expensive. So you get, it tells you right on the front. 3 pairs, 4 grams each. So happy for them. And then the last item that I chose is this Anastasia Mini Soft Glam Deluxe Trio as one of my items. Where is this the Boost? Let me, I think that might be my Boost. I'm not sure what the Boost is. Let me figure that out right now. Yeah, the Boost is this. So, SMS Glam Brushes, Misho Beauty, and Avant are my 3 picks. There's our Glow Recipe and Yensa, and then this is the Boost. 50, so you pay 15, I pay 60, it's $16.20 after tax and stuff. But let's see what we have in here. So it's 3 products, which I'm not going to knock. We have a lipstick. I don't know if I have this one. Dusty Rose. Right here. I'd have to look. I think I can... I don't know where all my Anastasia are either. Usually I can tell by looking at the bottom. I have no clue. Not there. Not there. Up here. Right, these are Anastasia. Let's see if we have this one. What did I say the shade was? Deep Rose. Peach something. Praline. And Taupe Beige. I do not have that, so that's awesome. You take a chance, and if I forget if I had it, I would share it. Share. No big deal. Then it comes with the lip liner, which I'll swatch that in a minute. And the lip liner is Dusty Rose too. So I will have a pencil right there. Beautiful. And I like this because it's not round. It's like squared off. So let's swatch this since I know I'm not going to be sharing it. And there's the lipstick. Nice little match. Happy for that. So you get those two. And then in there you also get Soft Glam 2, like a mini palette. Nice soft. And that's pretty. So I'll just cover this mirror up so I can show you. That's a nice little palette. Nice travel palette. Everyday palette. Keep it, you know, right out. It's easy. Nice tones. The black eye is probably the only one that I wouldn't touch. Just not into the black. Sometimes though, a little tiny bit of black in your outer corner will help like deepen it more than like browns and things. Sometimes purple is a good darkener, but black, I rarely touch the black though. So I'm happy to have that. So we get a palette, a lip liner, and a lipstick. And that was for the $15 Beauty Boost. I love everything in here. I'm going to see if I can blend this in and see if that one works better with my skin tone versus this one. See, they actually both work. Believe it or not, I blended them both in, and they both, actually the slightly darker one is a little, oh, my hand is a little bit better, but under my eye, the lighter one might be better. Just to brighten it up and take some of the darkness and the tiredness away. So that's nice. I'm happy with everything. I love it. I mean, what's not to love? I picked 3 of the products plus the boost, and I'm happy with the 2 that they chose for me. So no complaints here. Did you get your Boxy by Ipsy? Were you happy with it? You know, it's kind of hard to be unhappy when we choose 3 of the 5, and if you get the boost, you choose it. As long as you're aware that you can change. I don't know, I don't remember what they had checked off for me. I don't know if I changed it or if they chose this. I don't remember off the top of my head. I really don't. I might have picked that myself. But, you know, you get to, if you get the Beauty Boost, that's 4 things you get to pick out of the 6 items in your box. And I'm happy with the other 2. So for the $30 and then the $2 shipping and handling and the tax, it's definitely worth it. I mean, this alone is expensive. Glow Recipe is expensive. Let's face it, we all know these brushes are expensive. So we have a round blusher, which you could use that, blush, highlighter, powders. That does actually, and that's the only one that it says. Oh, a blending brush, which I said you can blend or put highlighter on. And then this is contour and bronzing. Nice. 3-piece green brush set, which I do not have. I don't know where all my SMS glam are. There. Is there some somewhere else too? And over here. I know I don't have any of the greens. The light greens like this. So, happy to have this one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.